All right. So I'm here at the Queen Mary 3, and I was waiting for it to rain before I could get to the next step because I want to make sure that she's airtight, waterproof. Okay? So I'm seeing no water. I'm seeing no leaking anywhere. It's so great. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Nothing. Nowhere. Nothing. No water is pouring in from anywhere. All of my work is paying off. Oh Lord, thank you so much. I thought that was water for a second, but it's not. It's dust. Okay. Well, that's cool because this window isn't shutting all the way. Look at that. I need to adjust that handle. It's not even shut. See? It's still not leaking. How good is that? I didn't even shut these. These are supposed to clamp shut like this, guys. You know? That's what clamps the window shut. I didn't even have that. Wow.